Ready? Hi, I'm David, president at medmar.com, and I'm here to introduce one of the most innovative scooters in the market, the Pride Victory 10 Champion. It is a premier edition from Pride Mobility. It's packed with modern features, packed with new things to get you up and on the go and enjoying your day. Pride Mobility does it right. We've worked with them for over 30 years. There's a lot of great options. This is packed with new technology, packed with features. Let's get into why our staff loves this scooter. We've been working with Pride Mobility since we've been open almost 35 years ago. We count on Pride Mobility to have the most innovative and best products on the market. They've been selling the Pride Victory for over 20 years. It is a staple for mobility equipment in the community and in the country. Pride Mobility is known for their quality, service, and taking care of us. And just like Pride Mobility takes care of us, we want to take care of you, which is perfect timing. Introducing the Pride Victory Champion, where power, precision, and practicality unite in a scooter built to elevate your independence. This is a new spin on a classic with great modern features. At the heart of the Victory Champion is an intuitive tiller, ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, control, and confidence. Bright LED lights ensure you're always seen, and then you can always see, no matter what time of day or where the road leads. With reliable, high torque performance, the Victory Champion powers forward, steady, secure, and ready for the journey ahead. When they redid this scooter and gave it the premier name, every detail wasn't missed. Every detail had been engineered for excellence, from precision wheels to reinforced components. This scooter doesn't just ride, it impresses. From top to bottom, it's one of the most high-quality scooters on the market. It has adjustable armrests that offer comfort you can customize, creating a personal fit for every ride. A hassle-free magnetic charger clicks into place. No lining up, no fumbling, just easy, intelligent charging when you need it. And then when it's time to store or transport, the tiller folds down with one touch. Boop. Simple, seamless, secure. Suspension technology cushions every bump, providing a smooth ride on sidewalks, curbs, and more. And for those of you who have had a scooter for a long time, know how important a really good suspension is. We love the suspension on the Pride Victory Champion. It's one of the best on the market. It also has responsive acceleration, meaning easy handling, giving you complete control and comfort wherever life takes you. From city streets to farms to country trails, the Victory Champion adapts with confidence. Performance that doesn't flinch when the terrain gets tough. The fully rotatable seat and adjustable tiller allow for effortless transfers and riding tailored entirely to your comfort. With an impressively tight turning radius, maneuvering in crowded areas or tight corners is smooth and stress-free. It has one of the best turning radiuses. A spacious front basket keeps essentials right where you need them. Secure, accessible, and ready to roll. On pavement or grass, the Victory Champion holds its own with power and grace, maintaining speed and traction without compromise. And then when it's time to go or store, disassemble it quickly and tool-free, built for your life, not to slow it down. Like we had said earlier, it's a great advancement on a classic scooter with new modern technology. You can trust Pride Mobility and you can trust medmart.com for the best service. Help is only a call away. Call our phone number or visit medmart.com today.